I will discuss about revolve command in AutoCAD 3D. Basically, revolve command working of 360 degree, but I want get change for according to project, according to design, make to change for revolve command in AutoCAD 3D design. So when I have go to revolve command in AutoCAD 3D, so first of all when I get select here view, front view, so when I go to view here, when I click this view and apply the front view, like make the home page, and first of all create the rectangle. Right now this one is rectangle, is make the D enter 200 and 800. It is create the rectangle here. When I get convert the revolve command, so first of all go to revolve command here. This is revolve command. When I apply the revolve command and select the axis and enter, how much distance I want get 3D axis. Here show you the how much degree you want get change. So I want get 360 degree, so here make the 360 degree. And if I want get another rectangle right now, so when I click this rectangle and I make show this diagram here, and also select this whole component and go to revolve command. This is revolve command in AutoCAD 3D. When I click this point here and also click this point, this is called axis. When I want 270 degree, so when give 270 degree, then again I have make this another sketch. When I get rectangle right now, and I make the different diagram also. When I make circle here, this one is get circle right now, and this one is make again curve here. This is any curve, apply the arc. When I get A enter and apply the arc here, right, look at this one I create the arc. It is make arc here. When I get here we can see that, and also select this rectangle right now, E enter, get also select E enter and go to trim, TR. Here the trim in, then apply the trim and also get trim here. Then continuation I get right now. We will change from particular command also. Here we can trim right now. Again select this whole component and go to trim. This one is going to trim and also this one is going to trim. Then again if it is here, so when show you this is our circle has been created right now. When I make the revolve command, so first of all select this whole command here, then go to revolve. Here we can see this point and also get this point. and I want to 360 degrees. So when I get 360 degree converted, so here we can you can see that when I go to 3D sketch, so go to view here and show you this is isometric view. Look at this one is 360 degree, this one is 270 degree, and this one is type of curve. You can see here like that, according to design and according to plane. When I change the particular height and distance, so click this line, click this one and get the change. I want get change this diagram. So when I click here and change the color, I get yellow color, and I want 360 degree. When I get converted from 180 degree, so here you can see that 180 degree. Look at this. And again I want get change color here. Here change the color also. When I get red color and look like this one is another 360 degree. I want to change here 360 degree. So it was very easy to create and change the dimension and diagram, easy for maintain the AutoCAD 3D model. For here you can see that it's make for AutoCAD modeling. When I get again change, I want get the color here and which type of color I want, any components, so easily has been defined. So any different option here when I get 3D model and when I get all, so there everything has been selected for 3D modeling design. When I get other thing, I have go to make in AutoCAD. So first of all, when I go to front view, this is here front view, and I apply the 3D modeling actually. So when get the create, first of all sketch right now. Here we can see this and go to ortho line. So right now ortho, then also create in AutoCAD. It's change for okay. I want get the convert for revolve it, 3D revolve it. So first of all select this all whole component, whole sketch, then go to here revolve it command, then select this point and also go select this point and look at this 360 degree I want, so click this 360 degree. So here we can see that I want get move here this whole diagram. So when I go to move, when if I want every diagram and I want to catch, so move also. When I get move, if so when I go to 3D design, so here the views right now. When go to views and isometric view, like this one has been created. The AutoCAD revolve it command is properly utilized for any revolve it design, 360 degree, 180 degree, 90 degree, whatever our needs in design, we will provide the particular degree and change the height and thickness easily. So today has completed the session, and thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe.